Hey guys, welcome back to Ledford. My name is Chris Ledford. I'm a certified personal trainer through NASM, and along with Serein Wu, certified health coach and nutritionist through Precision Nutrition, we make videos that help you live a happy and healthy lifestyle. So today's video is going to be a full body seated chair workout for the knees. We're gonna save the integrity of your knees, but we're gonna get a great workout in. So we made one of these videos before and it did really well, and you guys seem to really like it, and there was a lot of requests for volume 2, so that's what we're doing. So if that's what you're looking for, just keep on watching. Okay guys, the first thing you're gonna do is seated bicycles. And what that is just elbows to knees, and you're just alternating sides. So step up, bring your knees up, and touch it to your elbow. Side to side, there's no number that you have to hit. It's 30 seconds, as many as you can do. Just keep touching, keep going, keep going. My chair is squeaking. Keep going. 30 seconds, you got this. All right, after this, you're gonna do right into a 15-second break. Hands in the praying position, knees together, and you're gonna out and up. So out, up. Touch your heels as your hands are going up. Again, this is gonna work on your core as you're balancing. Get your heart rate up, get your blood flowing, and just keep going up and out, up and out, up and out. Good job, guys, keep going. There's no number that you have to hit, just as many as you can do in 30 seconds. Keep going, you're almost there. This is your warm-up. Get your body moving, get your body warm. Keep going. Here we go. Okay guys, this is what I call a seated Hazop touch. And I apologize if I butchered that name, but all you're doing is, it's kind of like that Russian folk dance. You're seated here, you got your heels going out, touching straight in front of you, alternating side. That's really gonna fire on your quads. So everything is getting warmed up, and again, no number that you have to hit. It's 30 seconds, just as many as you can do. Look, I'm in pretty good shape and my quads are on fire right now. Keep your arms straight up, keep your core engaged, keep touching, heel, 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 heel. Good job, keep going. All right. All right guys, so we're gonna do ones and twos, 30 seconds. Let's do it. Left, right, and you don't have to have a weight to do this. You can absolutely just use your hands. But if you've got the weights and you feel like you wanna do it, give it a try. Just ones and twos, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. Chair is squeaking, don't let that fool you. Keep going, jab, cross, Here we go, here we go. No set amount, just keep punching, keep punching. Good job. All right guys, seated shrugs. We're gonna sit nice and tall, and we're gonna shrug our shoulders, shrug our shoulders, shrug our shoulders. Like I said, you can do this with or without weights. No amount you have to hit, it's all for time. 30 seconds. All you're doing is shrugging shoulders up and down, up and down. Good job, keep going, keep shrugging. And if you want, you can pause at the top and go down. Pause at the top and then go down. Keep going, almost there. Keep shrugging. Don't get into a habit of going too fast. Really concentrate on that muscle-mind connection. Alright guys, seated curls. Super simple. All we're doing is we're sitting nice and tall, engaging our core, making sure everything is nice and upright, and we're curling our arms up and down. Again, don't get into a habit of going too fast. What I want you to squeeze your biceps as you're coming up. You can do this with weights if you've got it. You can do water bottles, anything that has a little bit of weight to it, or you can just use your arms and squeeze, but you want to make sure you're connecting your mind to that muscle as you're squeezing to make sure you get some growth in there and some good blood flowing. Keep going. Almost there. Good job.
I thought I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why
All right, guys, start with the weights out in front of you like this. You're gonna bring them in, out, and away from each other. Together and back. Here we go. Just like this. Together, in, and out. Together, in, and out. No number that you have to hit. It's all for time. 30 seconds. Your shoulders should be thanking you all the way through this motion. You're opening them up. You're getting some blood flowing. And keep going. 30 seconds. You're almost there. Boom. Shoulders are on fire. Good job. Hands out in front of you, diamond position. You're gonna go out, together, and up. Out, together, and up. Out, together, and up. Super simple, it's all in the name. Out together and bring them up. Keep your hands in that diamond position and go up. Open up your hips, boom, boom, up. Again, 30 seconds, that's all you got. You can do anything for 30 seconds. Come on. You're at the end of this workout and then you're gonna repeat it. Stay on your toes, keep your core engaged, bring it up. Boom, look at that. All right, guys, there it is. Volume 2, seated chair workout. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, and turn on the notifications bell. It does help us out. Normally, we upload every Wednesday and Sunday, but because we're all quarantined, we have nothing else to do, we're gonna make a lot of videos for you guys, so I don't want you to miss out on anything. So if you liked it, hit the subscribe button, turn the notifications bell on, and make sure you follow us on Instagram because we do a lot of great content over there as well. You guys stay safe, stay happy, stay moving, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.